This Axial LED third brake light is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK and are looking to swap out that third brake light to something that is brighter, that's going to last a little bit longer. And most of you are going to be using this if you've already changed out your taillights to an LED, so you have something that matches. This third brake light is going to install very easily onto your Jeep. Definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, plug and play, so no wiring is necessary, and just a couple of screws to get it swapped out, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. So like I said, if you already have LED taillights on your Jeep, you're probably going to want to swap that third brake light to an LED as well. That way it's going to have the same crisp, clean on and off, it's going to have the same bright individual LED look, and it's going to last just as long as those LED taillights will, because an LED will last a lot longer than an incandescent bulb. Now, these lights from Axial are available in a couple of different colors, which will give you a couple of different looks. You have a crystal clear, a Bermuda black, and also a platinum, and that's really just going to change the look of the light when it's off. Either way, of course, you're going to have some very bright red LEDs because it is a brake light after all, so you want that bright red, no other color. So again, if you pick one of the different colors, it's just going to change the background behind the LEDs or possibly the lens color, but the lights are still going to be red. Now, as far as LED third brake lights go, the Axial ones are going to be a little bit less expensive than some of the other options on the market. Recon, for example, is known for making a premium product. Theirs are going to be more expensive. So if you're on a bit more of a budget, or you just don't see a need to spend a ton of money on an LED third brake light, this is going to be a nice option for you. As far as construction goes, this is going to be a plastic piece designed to replace that factory third brake light very easily. It's going to fit right in place, no trimming, no cutting, no wiring necessary in order to get this installed. Very, very simple to install it. It's going to have 6 red LEDs right there for you. And like I said, a direct replacement for your factory third brake light. I've said a couple of times now that this is a very simple swap, very easy installation, definitely 1 out of 3 wrenches and less than a half hour to get done. All you'll have to do is remove 2 screws from your factory third brake light, unplug the brake light, set it aside, plug in your new third brake light, and reinstall those screws to hold it in place. These third brake lights come in at around $130, which in my opinion is a little bit pricey, but when you consider the fact that Recon, which is a more premium brand, is charging even more than that, these do look like a bargain. Now, you are getting all the benefits of LED with this light, so you would expect them to be a little bit more than an incandescent light. And if you're looking for an LED third brake light, these are going to be some of the less expensive ones out there. So if you want something to match your taillights, this is going to be a pretty good option. So if you're looking for an LED third brake light for your JK, I definitely recommend taking a look at this option from Axial, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.